Thank you, Madam Chair. And Mr. Smith, I've heard glowing reports about your professionalism. Ms. Krass, I enjoyed very much meeting with you yesterday. And I indicated to both of you that it's my practice to let you all know about the areas I'm going to get into. So today, let me start with you, Ms. Krass, on CIA interrogation. As you know, the big interrogation report that the committee approved last year contained a section, Senator Udall referred to it, that discussed the CIA's representations to the Department of Justice regarding coercive interrogations. And you indicated to me yesterday that you had read the report. Based on the information in the report, does it appear to you that the CIA provided the Justice Department's Office of Legal Counsel with acceptably accurate information about the coercive interrogation program?
Senator, based on my reading of that section of the report, I agree with what former General Counsel Stephen Preston said, which was that the information provided fell well short of the normal type of information that is provided to OLC now.
So the answer would be no.
Yes, I think that's right.
Okay, so what you've told us is it does not appear to you that the CIA provided the Justice Department's office with acceptably accurate information, correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. The other question I wanted to ask you about dealt with this matter of the OLC opinion, and we talked about this in the office as well. This is the particular opinion in the Office of Legal Counsel that I've been concerned about. I think the reasoning is inconsistent with the public's understanding of the law, and as I indicated, I believe it needs to be withdrawn. As we talked about, you were familiar with it. And my first question, as I indicated I would ask, as a senior government attorney, would you rely on the legal reasoning contained in this opinion?
Senator, at your request, I did review that opinion from 2003. And based on the age of the opinion and the fact that it addressed at the time what it described as an issue of first impression, as well as the evolving technology that the opinion was discussing, as well as the evolution of case law, I would not rely on that opinion.
I appreciate that, and again, your candor is helpful because we talked about this. So that's encouraging, but I want to make sure nobody else ever relies on that particular opinion. And I'm concerned that a different attorney could take a different view and argue that the opinion is still legally valid because it's not been withdrawn. Now, we have tried to get Attorney General Holder to withdraw it, and I'm trying to figure out, he's not answered our letters, who at the Justice Department has the authority to withdraw the opinion. Do you currently have the authority to withdraw the opinion?
No, I do not currently have that authority.
Okay, who does at the Justice Department?
Well, for an OLC opinion to be withdrawn on OLC's own initiative or on the initiative of the Attorney General would be extremely unusual. That happens only in extraordinary circumstances. Normally what happens is if there's an opinion for which that has been given to a particular agency, for example, if that agency would like OLC to reconsider the opinion, or if another component of the executive branch who's been affected by the advice would like OLC to reconsider the opinion, they will come to OLC and say, look, this is why we think you were wrong and why it should be, we believe the opinion should be corrected. And they will be doing that when they have a practical need for the opinion because of particular operational activities that they would like to conduct. I have been thinking about your question because I understand your serious concerns about this opinion. And one approach that seems possible to me is that you could ask for an assurance from the relevant elements of the intelligence community that they would not rely on the opinion. I can give you my assurance that if I were confirmed, I would not rely on the opinion at the CIA.
I appreciate that. And you were very straightforward in saying that. What concerns me is unless the opinion is withdrawn, at some point somebody else might be tempted to reach the opposite conclusion. So again, I appreciate the way you've handled a sensitive matter, and I'm going to continue to prosecute the case for getting this opinion withdrawn. And Madam Chair, I thank you.
Thank you.